Check out these 25 simple and exciting small business ideas that you can start with just a few clicks online. Everyone is on the lookout for smart ways to make extra money without breaking the bank. But how do you find a business idea that's both affordable and fun? Wondering if there are easy to start businesses that you can kick off from the comfort of your home? You're in for a treat. Elevate your finances with WealthWise Insider. Wisdom for wealth builders. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we are exploring some fantastic business ideas that are easy to start and affordable. These options offer great flexibility and potential for profit. Let's dive in and see how you can turn these ideas into reality. Number 1. Cheese coin waffle irons. In this business, you use special irons to make cheese-filled waffles, a popular snack in Japan, Korea, and Vietnam. These waffles blend dough and cheese and can include various fillings. It's a great fit for busy urban areas with a starting cost of $150 for the irons. Number 2. Printers for phone cases. Start a business at home by buying plain phone cases and customizing them using a UV printer. You can print anything from popular memes to personal photos. This allows you to sell your unique phone cases online with significant profit margins. The initial investment for a basic printer is $500. Number 3. Concrete troweling machine. If your business involves laying concrete floors, a concrete troweling machine is essential. It smooths out the concrete to give it a professional finish, helping to attract more customers. The cost for starting with one of these machines is about $300. Number 4. Meat chips production. This business uses dehydrators to produce meat chips from various types of marinated meats. The process includes slicing, drying, and packaging the meat under your brand name. The startup cost for a dehydrator is around $100. Number 5. Packaging machines. Use compact machines to package tea, coffee, and spices into small packets, which you can sell under your brand. Focusing on unique blends can make your product stand out in the market. The cost of these packaging machines starts at $450. Number 6. Vending machines for electronic cigarettes. Set up vending machines that sell electronic cigarettes and include an age verification feature. This business is easily scalable by placing more machines in busy locations. The initial investment for these machines is $500. Number 7. Creamed honey production. Create and sell creamed honey by adding flavors such as nuts and fruits to regular honey. This allows you to offer a unique product under your brand. The machinery required for starting this business costs around $300. Number 8. Flower printing printer. Provide a service that prints personalized messages or images directly onto flowers, perfect for exclusive bouquet offerings. This business can be expanded into an online store that delivers unique and premium floral arrangements. The starting cost for a flower printing printer is $500. Number 9. Mini popcorn machines. Install mini popcorn machines in retail areas like malls or parks. These machines serve flavored popcorn, attracting customers and increasing sales. It's a straightforward and appealing addition to any business area, with prices starting at $100. Number 10. Foil stamping machines. Use foil stamping machines to create stylish designs on clothing, business cards, and more. They're perfect for businesses focused on design and printing, providing a high-value service. The cost to start is around $300. Number 11. Frozen drink machines. Place frozen drink machines in your retail space to offer customers refreshing beverages, ideal for warm climates. This addition not only improves customer satisfaction but also boosts your sales. These machines are priced starting at $300. Number 12. Engraving machines. Engraving machines are great for creating personalized jewelry, gifts, and home decor items. This makes them an excellent option for a small business run from a garage or workshop. The initial cost for these machines is $300. Number 13. Mug Heat Press. Begin a home-based business customizing mugs and jars, perfect for creating personalized gifts or corporate souvenirs. You can use thermochromic paint to create mugs that change color with heat. The starting cost for a heat press is $50. Number 14. Can Sealing Machine. Start sealing and selling your own craft beer, juices, or teas with the can sealing machine. This business can be operated from home with minimal initial investment, making it very accessible. Machines start at $300. Number 15. Portable Mini Printers. These compact printers can mark various items like clothing, price tags, and coffee cups, boosting your branding efforts. They offer flexibility and ease of use in personalization with prices beginning at $60. Number 16. Cake Decorating Machine. For those in the custom cake business, a cake decorating machine can simplify the decorating process. This improves both the quality and efficiency of production. The initial investment for this equipment is $200. Number 17. Candle Pouring Dispenser. Start a business creating scented candles of various sizes using a candle pouring dispenser. This venture can begin in a garage with minimal investment, making it highly accessible. The cost for dispenser starts at $300. Number 18. Bubble Wrap Machine. Produce bubble wrap to ensure product safety during shipping. This machine is particularly beneficial for businesses that provide fulfillment services. The initial cost for these machines is $300. Number 19. Oil Press Machines. Use oil press machines to extract oils from olives, seeds, or nuts. Focus on quality and environmental friendliness by creating unique oil blends tailored for culinary use. Starting cost for these presses is $500. Number 20. Twister Dog Machine. Offers spiral cut fried potatoes, optionally filled with a sausage using a Twister Dog Machine. This is an appealing choice for fast food outlets with prices for the machine starting at just $10. Number 21. Noodle Making Machines. Produce distinctive noodles by adding flavors and colors, appealing to food enthusiasts and gourmet markets. These machines offer a unique niche in food production and start at $400. Number 22. Clothes Folding Machines. Provide a mobile laundry service that includes collecting, cleaning, ironing, and folding clothes. This service is ideal for individuals with busy schedules. The cost for starting with these machines is $30. Number 23. Liquid Food Packaging Machine. Package eco-friendly products like jams and smoothies in convenient packets using a liquid food packaging machine. This enables you to offer high-quality products in practical packaging, with machines starting at $200. Number 24. Ribbon Making Machine. Create custom ribbons with inscriptions for events, gifts, and advertising purposes. This home-based business is easy to start and can be quite rewarding. The cost for ribbon making machines begins at $400. Number 25. Embossing Number on Cards. Produce membership and discount cards using a manual card embosser. Target small businesses, cafes, and event organizers who need identification cards. This business is affordable to start, with equipment costs from $150. That's a wrap for today's video. What do you think about these business ideas? Which one would you consider starting? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to WealthWise Insider for more insights on achieving financial prosperity. Until next time, remember, smart wealth, wise future.